Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Adobe Express for profitable social media templates. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Adobe Express for creating profitable social media templates, first, open your web browser. Navigate to the Adobe Express website. If you already have an Adobe ID, click on the Sign In button. Enter your email address and password. If you don't have an Adobe ID, click on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required information to create a new account. Once signed in, find the dashboard of Adobe Express. Look for the Templates section on the main page. Use the search bar to find social media templates that fit your needs. Select a template that catches your eye. Click on the template to open it in the editor. Customize the text, colors, and images as per your branding. To add your own images, click on the Upload button and select files from your device. Once you're satisfied with your design, click on the Download button. Choose your preferred file format for saving. Save the template to your device for social media use. You can also share directly to social media platforms through built-in sharing options. Keep exploring other templates to diversify your content offerings. Finally, revisit Adobe Express regularly for new templates and features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.